I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Welcome back to my channel. This is a follow-up from the chicken thighs that I showed you how to clean and how I season them. If you're new to my channel, welcome back. Please remember to like the video so I can get an opportunity to go in YouTube's algorithm. My videos are extremely short. Please support me by watching to the end, liking the video, and dropping a comment. So I'm about ready to prepare some brown stew jerk chicken. The little dash to this that I made was, once I seasoned my chicken, I added some Walker's Wood jerk sauce. You will see me throughout preparing this meal that I will also add some additional jerk marinade to it. That one is my homemade jerk marinade, and I do have a video out there on how I prepare my homemade jerk sauce. So I'm about ready to start the cooking process. Once you season your chicken, you can allow to marinate for a few hours or overnight. It is up to you whenever you are ready to cook your chicken. So I allowed mine to stay for about 4 hours and I'm ready. I heated my oil and I prefer to add the fresh seasonings in the pot instead of seasoning the meat with it. I added ginger, garlic, pimento seeds, onions, escallion, thyme. Then I added my chicken and I cover to steam. I did not need to add any water to this brown stew jerk chicken. All the liquid you see in it is from the seasoned chicken. These chicken in America, they are filled with water. If you also watch my prior curry chicken video, I did not use any water. Here I am adding some of my own homemade jerk marinade to this. Almost 45 minutes in, and I'm allowing now to get down to the gravy portion of it. I did not add any ketchup, any cornstarch, any flour, any breadcrumbs. I allowed this to cook until it got to the gravy portion of it. Thank you for watching. It's a very short video. I'm trying to make my videos even shorter to benefit my subscribers and potential subscribers to watch the videos because they are not being watched. So I'm trying each week to reduce the time that I do them for. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like the video. Here my chicken is in the last stage. It's finally drying out. At this point, it's almost at the point where there is gravy in it, or sufficient gravy. It's not watery, where I'll be able to now have this completely done. So there you can see, after 45 minutes my chicken is done. My gravy is thick and I did not use anything to thicken the gravy. Here it is finished. And I do hope that you enjoy this video and you too can try this. We're so used to the dry jerk where we do the chicken in the oven or on a grill and it's dry. Try this brown stew jerk, and I want you to drop in the comment section and tell me what you think about this. Remember, home cooked meals are important. They are essential and economical. There my dinner is served. My brown stew chicken with a little veggies, some pasta, and some rice, and a glass of carrot juice. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you again for your support.